Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your email address on your Hearthstone game account. So let's get started right away. Now you can use the battle.net application, but it will redirect you onto your web browser to change your email anyway. So open up your web browser and then type in battle.net in the address bar and press enter. You will then be taken into the official battle.net website. Now if you haven't logged into your account already, you may hover over to account at the top right corner and click on login to use your credentials. After entering your credentials, you will be logged into your account at battle.net. Now once you are logged in, if you wish to change your email address, then click on your user ID at the top right corner and then click on account settings. Now within your account settings page, click on account details and you will now find your email address. Click on the update button alongside it and you will now be asked to enter the security code that has been sent to your email address that you currently use. So just check your inbox and you will find your security code. Just enter this code within the given box and click on the submit button, and now you will be asked to enter the new email address that you wish to change into. Just type in your preferred new email address and click on save, and now you will be told that your email address has successfully been updated. You will still need to check your newly set up email address inbox to verify this account. When you check your inbox, just click on the verify now button, and now your new email address has been verified and you can now use it to log into your account in the future. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your email address on the Hearthstone game account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.